ene de ken to de diam de wura mu amano ne kakra zenne uni kumase na jezo wa Ghana bibia na osa no atete wacha ede omuni nkomomre ne etimi abo amano ne so no ye bɔ mɔde di nupa ni bi ewura mu kama pa etimi era mount your number ni 0245 118 434 0245 118-434 na 0246 744 0246 744 Pomo Krodioma Orwani Chimo second floor Awila Towers e wode chem so enka ne baby ana men share insurance scheme no no more omo ebo ejuma Dimpa Child Clinic Dimpa yes na wunya Dimpa Child Clinic stomach ulcer last stop na boana niama de din so no netimi e dia ma sana bi ko enfama drinks a be dwama so a ere kofo agere atuma dodo na eno mezanse no a ena ba na fina ba na yedi enti no e wo so do hu hwim na boa mane makoye pere ma bako e mixer 5G ne kan e odin a na wa bomode aka se ye ma 5 ye be ma 5 na ne ma na da yi so no etimi e di ama mezanse no no e haba ma ni nuaba na ya bomode de aye na mun komo no de ma na ye de ene ze nuaba na abama na ewom no e be sa boa na nipedua no asiesie Ghana no adwena de be nyane no green tea no eboa na ne sade na nyankonko fire ye bia etimi enfam ro na afi jinsen no eyi ntini mamoja no edi efusa na ye mbema ne de emiesisi no ye den na grapes no ebo mode ye nuema no netimi eye hu adwuma pa timi ba cho eye na ababadi to na abade do na eba be hwem no e mixer 5G omo na de mizo fruit drinks na ba drinking e de say drinking na kono see o wesere ne ma nyesia ko ne de rama enkofo jerry atumu e organic fruit so etinya fe na chemicals bioma eba babe ha obi etis orange mango apple pineapple ebi so te melon ene dia ya ede papa di kwada ni kosku ana wa momu bioma na mane 0246 2702210 0246 2702210 0558 106348 0558 106348 nambwa nane manko ye pentimi enfama ramu fidema ana ngase odozo bebibi Sompa TV also amene ye chona ba obenya dodo na apomode atu anase po no orwani chemo miamia me baba bobosu ya ye boa na wanya bi manager Daniel 21st clinic orwani chemo overseas abenya bi Mama Esther na Domnia Sunje Junction Watra Baptist University boa kwa no OGB PNC Ventures Anomanji Taxi Station na Chelsea Charity Hospital also OGB and afi na Sachi Enterprise no orwani HMA no seat na Chelsea ono so ya safo binchu ono OC VIP car park no OGB na boa manema de di impede mama daroma ye ramna ya bomode netimi edin komana nema akoye pedamant your live on Facebook na cheso bomode na waseche Sompa Sport ana Sompa TV nya wa on YouTube Sompa TV na waseche na wa bomode adwuma de bi na boana nema daye pa ere amana omumma mi nei season 2023-2024 even paying for ensure my yen in your mom dear guna kwama erena baba boy senate your mandatory rest period na just amreno yen fa home nanonia from June 19th to July 28th and our registration window so window no na just ebie no ye June 20th ye guso ankofo sign preseason no obetimi abon mode na July 29th to September 14th odi around na registration window closes on September 1st champions of champions September 3rd na fi deadline for registration queries next year September 4th na just no na time registration na cruise your cases bi ho na ye habo mode domasuko enwu anamo metu aboa madwumade na deda dadi asamre no ene ebo mode etimi aye na afi no start of bed power Premier League no ebe sha see September 15th na akwa on the 18th 15th no na fieda na aboa manema deda di pretimi era mom na ye ramusa no ye champions of champions no sedem pinfo etimi a confirm say date no e 3rd September akwese curtain raiser ye bomode na the league ne boy ya pe na beze na otwe ba kumienu ntam no league ne etimi ahase e mediama na Sporting Club Limited on bomode EG league no mo any dreams FC e de betimi e di abo eni tisa pepe e na champions of champions no na chese bomode etimi ram na aboa na ne ma deda dimpa na obeke a coach Masudi Dramani e na mu squad bia na jeso mo 96 already no emu 24 e kokowura mu yazinde omojo omomoko edi abomode an and here na chese yet me edit the second squad no erana bibia de ye pray timi ede amomont nyambo obo na ne more report to pram nti won komo no ye wo Emmanuel Kobi na chese tan obofo akwa Solomon Agbesi Dreams FC Adam Jaba ejamo etimi ede man Ken Pfizer defenders no Emmanuel Kote ejamo ede man Suatreman Kalepa Mankwa ebu ejuma ede man to folk and afio Mohamed Abubakar ojamo ede man Dreams FC Godfrey Opokuwaki Ediana Football Club Ebenezer Aban Jamwe de Man Lions, yo Joseph Kimfo, Bechem United afe yaw amufa enso ebojuma edema Gold Stars and afe UC Mubarak ebojuma edema Krobia Komasia Santi Koroko midfielders onso Rama Abdul Omar Manaf Nidina Ramwali Nema Fuseni na Shokani Mohammed yo Dada Yusuf Sedu Emmanuel Kayeke and yo Francis Chene attackers onso no enonso Ramna sere nema Nisia ko eni di Ebre Rama na chese enonso no na ano edin ye papa ni na mo Boama ne madeda din pa etimi edi emo edi mun komo no enso ewram kama pre etimi edi amantino no ye wo Kwame Junior na face no Evans Boche ye Mohamed Yaya Nuru Tanko na face no ye wo Emmanuel Mensa Mesha Kefie Ali Uzaif na face no Jonathan Sowa edi omo na ene no omo reporting to omo nso kwa ombeboma na miensa after no third batch no omonso ababa be ramu akwakoye ejuma no na hyehyɛ na koye kama pa etimi edi amom ntisi apepe ene mu nkomo no esiete a ni nyina mu no yede ne no so ewura na bibia akoye pretimi ramana Mediama Sporting Club Limited na ne menya ntie so orwani ne chimo Washington DC a October 14th omoko etimi akobo cup bi e wono ma ere Capital City Cup a eromani DC United na beje pene etimi edi abo no omonso mu nkomo no yede di amanema adeda da yi a bibia ekoye kama pa etimi edi emom ntimresem no yeberewra ma na nkoma wodro na miki abomode rewram na aboa na nema adeda di pretimi era mom ntuhwe zere dwumadie no ye pa ho ntoma ne sere ntoto ani city a medi zemresem no miki beba na waba bedi nkoma na aboa manema akoye pa etimi edi ama na mom no yaye edunya na bibidro nkuto yebra ne edi account na wogya na so na nema akoye no eya be Herbal Clinic mamia be nyame nam no so a ejuma amame ne bono enye ejuma keto akra and there was no hwe na ye ntutuni na akọ na so ye boa be ma wade ni so a ye beboa na pijam na we gyan na so netimi aye ejuma na ne ma deda di pray timi era manti wiser for no mon transition be ye ejuma from wiser to beam nation na de na ebola baby girls no omu pre no mani agesa izanze na omo maba no epe na kese sa ya ye wom so be na nwaboa unyi na prostate no eye kese sa no e wo so tu anamon bia ebeboa na hye na da ye pa etimi edi amanti sa pepe ene no so no esi etie ani izeme wo ni se loan spare count edu nya obere na wo yere fi baby girls no center boat no emeze car na yetwia ma za baby ago kakra ni nyina akọ obere na wa tighten no baby bed ebe cheche na sunjua be fie na so no wenya aware pa zenne bosome so bu nsade ntiamusa bacteria infection ohwe na wo yere fi wo yin heart ni nyina no odu dwuma twaya ye aye ba ko a egu nkofo ani ma na ma me na so ye ne de okwa obrena waye ntutueri na bibia adeda yi kama so no etimi edi amana physical cells nsem no akwada na yesi onyindu bebi obefim no enye no kre mamia bebre na wetimi etu ana mama akwada no so no etimi egiano na so ntuko physical cell test no scan test no oye tano so apatrapa new site or apatrapa junction no 0243 345 392 na 0506 460208 0506 460208 number anane mandeda di so etimi enfama mrebi atwam na the Black Stars management committee chair no na Uncle George Amoakona na wedi nkomo era fa Chrisuti on say no bomo de nkomo no etimi eretudwa.
Played 3 matches isn't it be impressive. That's all I will say. To me, it's not impressive.
Sports.
Games, Madagascar, we call Angola, Mikobi. Yes, Mikobi. And all the games we played under him, I'm not impressed. And let's pray, so at least we'll qualify for the next AFCON in Cote d'Ivoire. And then we'll see how we proceed from there. Because World Cup, we should qualify. We will have to qualify and go to America. We want to go to America. What do I say? And we will see how things progresses from there. But so far, a lot will have to be done.
Eti alo ye command wa bomo de timi ra tudwa ni nyina ntiri oka ye we djuma bebre o se na oba 3 matches so abono so far onye impress with the performance o put in up on obon press Ghana ebenya no do na qualify kwa AFCON after na World Cup 2026 you know NMZ di unkomo zo de ye so mekọ kra kwa akọba da bidwa de o qualify na Canada, Mexico, US the Ghana for ebe kopa na akwa ko bi ni asan aba bi o ho no City City akukushia ni padodo na ze ono Jamaica mo ne Panama mo ne ade ne bembe ho na washi omo na oni omo didi nkoma ndi oze hwe na omo nye pomode skill qualification no na ne madeda ye pre timiere mama no pa no so ne confirm etimiere ma se David Oklu obo ejumere ma to foko no mutual concern pinfo na trance o ma bomode an na che thank you message na ba obaba baby na so ama me ni jana kwa ma ne ko ni etete no like Kingston mu din na ne na mu a ye cheze bia David bi no ombere omo former player no mo a consider na abo ama ne madeda dimpa etimi ede ama omo na neman so akuyi kama pera mo na Zlatko Matic nkomo no so no ye bedi na kramo me hwe baby girls ne kakra be juma ma no eye ne no na no edimpa hwe this time round yan football no ne sere ne mesi kwa emayo ni jomo na so ejuma mo ye na no edinra omobo momodin a qualification to Paris 2024 Olympic Games no na che round 1 ye ni Guinea na de bo ani obeki Ramo Conakry ekokobo meka miensa nyomo ntimi antenra omero ma Accra Sports Stadium onso no ye bo meka na nyomo ntimi antintine no 7-0 aggregate eboa ama yitimi akere meres October ni Benin ebetimi ere abo ni na aboa ma tutuera koye perama na Professor Azuma Nelson Prof enya 65 years down there back Ghana ye about to mini adia o ye legend na je say legend mo legend pa ba no boxing na wa ye no ho nyetimi aye djuma na para ne aye ne da no ye kakai no kakra na yentie we me kwere ba pe be ya fona trance na ye wram na nkomo no etimi asha se tie we mra
Azuma Nelson, there's not much we could say to Pac Heldell. He's absolutely shattered.
That's right. And I came in to knock him out in the first round. You know, man, that's what I make my mind. But because the people here didn't treat us good, you know, they're making all kind of ways to get the title from us. But I want to prove to them I'm the best in the world. And I want Pancado, I want McQuiggan, that girl. And I'm going to knock him out anywhere I fight him. I'm ready to fight for McQuiggan anytime, any day, anywhere.
Well,
I'm ready. This is my national flag. I'm proud of it. And I'm proud of Africa. You know, man.
Can I ask you, Azuma, sorry to butt in there, but we'd like to know about that punch, because Pac Heldell has never been knocked out in his time, and we're going to show you that punch, and perhaps you could explain to everybody watching on ITV the tremendous power that stopped Pac Heldell for the first time.
Well, I thought Pancado will go, will move around from me, you know. But as soon as the bell go on, he just comes using the jabs, you know. I start bobbing it, you know, and I got him with the go left uppercut.
Very good left uppercut. Let me ask you.
When he start jabbing, you know,
Let me ask you about Barry McGuigan. Is he going to live with the Nelson power? We're very proud of Barry McGuigan in this country.
Hey, like I said before, McGuigan is good, you know, and he's a fighter. And the way McGuigan fight, there's no way McGuigan can beat me. There's no way McGuigan can go 4 rounds with me because of my power. I got my power, I got experience, I got everything too much more than McGuigan. And I want him, that girl, I call her girl because she don't want to fight me. She's scared of me. She know who I am and what I can do. I know the trainers, his trainers don't want to fight me. You know.
Anyway, famous interview Professor Zunzum ne da 65 years na be juma de wa be yi dia magana papa de oze ye hwe na ye kakai na ne ade ati mamre na mi romu na me nkona me ne be yafo no ento aso ne didi nkoma mame sha se for Ricardo ansa na Miki me ne no ewie me ya na wo se sa that be said was this no metiase
no me was a obo we ni na no serian kwa na womanim.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, wabobra. So just the image of Azuma like a kai wo. Yeah, basically in the story yeah, one of the best stories to inspire obi a person yes sports person be and as obi a person who aspire for greatness no matter your background. Osha Azuma story na enough motivation.
Oh, okay.
But also ya no pebi anka no watch that per Azuma the story in about 5 minutes documentary be fight every day be no pa fa e be motivate to be Kenya mo why the person e be.
Wow.
because basically baby okodru here and even on that
Sompa
platform
Sports.
ITV then a interview no and then how he was able to convey his message. The proudest moment was when Obibe flashe Ghana flag now or if I said this is my national flag and then I'm proud of the Africa.
Yeah,
that's 2 statements alone. The single biggest endorsement Africa in a boxing ring.
Wow.
Yeah.
Professor Zunzu.
Single biggest endorsement Africa in our boxing ring. When you sure said there has been any African boxer watching Azuma. And then for a boxer of his ilk, any baby or rise Kodru, and then on this available platform to reference Ghana and then refer Africa. Things are huge. Ain't that many ages are no? Yeah. Sabe, share
Sompa Sports.
class. Yeah, share pedigree, education, background in a way. Azuma would have been the last person cry a baby son or say on commenting about Ghana or Africa.
Yes.
But Nyanko Pado match at your demand. And a quanye be the man or no. She baby I didn't cokodria. It's a beautiful story. Ain't now come any my yes.
And now we need you and
Benya Japan. Benya Brutal.
Phenomon actress I am never looked at.
I am never try.
You're like producer.
On one acquire. Say or start yes as what they and I'm a trainer for free.
Oh, okay.
Was or artist or a stubborn.
Okay, you.
Brand what's when the agency I say. The management felt young cutting it off. No,
but so there is or Helama because we wouldn't there by the agenda.
Ọ̀nà your man and you. Yeah, you back where yeah, you know. A hit. Griffy. And you back uphill. A hit. So imagine if Uncle Dasu and same near man.
Sompa Sports.
Can they think maybe I would do? Yes, musicians on WhatsApp platform creating the fees.
Now this Sunday.
Oh, that's why you know where you left is one boy.
Or this Sunday or Kobushu view.
Or boy, me say. Or that's why you know. Musician platform, lo. Underground artists or WhatsApp platform. Or that's why you know where you left is. Underground phone, no.
Dabi roho pani. Owo ye VGM we. Ale che take betra ba dalo palo. Kwaku ike za to for o gala ye koko shia wakra. Ricardo la bibi amoko de.
Oh abu bibi are fine.
You re mu kakre. No za want tin komo ni bi ni ade a. Nezo ayi second batch na eko. Amokwa yewe ya. The Ghana pa de.
Ba could be omo but oni kroma.
Governor Bogo aki. So omo ye list we no na waki wa. Entina ohun se ni din wom no.
Ameka say o so mo report e. But no ni a.
But mo list we na say ebo league no mo hwe mu yiye yo. Ti e den was ni din ba.
Okay. Nto wan ko train wan ko.
Telekum na. There's your cancer. We are to be an inity. And I make him a boy. Ah,
Yebo league no more.
League matches.
A free match. Free match.
I mean, I also crime is only Ghana. So we are Martinez after so sign by, you know. So our boy Chelsea league matches and I really view. I want to be able to see more many house of a booby. And after we know ball or more ball when you know. I All Stars Festival when you know. I just almost was some qualm on it. They don't know in Ghana.
I'll be then. Babu, Azuma Semino, a catcher say, baby, a talent do be corner. I am a higher standard. One example, you use my impressing Kenya Stella. Now, say BBC Ukruma, now you want people to talk about football, how in players carry on performance. One way I did about him say House of Fogni Kotoko Abe Fletcher Stella.
Yeah.
A daintia. Because of the talent in the so for talent I will be making sure say ube polish no. Now I try say ube do baby say do and no carry you along. Because quite sorry there man. You're on for power but the software could have a microphone or yeah you more cassette tenacity tenacity. Tiny city. Do the talent be a polish. Now try say ube tia futu now they are cosro and I idea beboa. I'm one man to at me akoye. But omom di House of Folk anim no. Kakra kromo ye hu say team no omo ye team no bone chen so ye team ne papa.
Say
David Okulu and they are done as say won ko a na the decision to let Matic and Tinan Mayajman was a wrong decision.
And no crack cabbage.
Sompa Sports.
What's the FIFA name? Cabbage.
I know there's someone more you know say actually. Because you are 10 the last time I remember, Mr. Boy do my rundown BBA so Mujan man Quantina say wada and the end the can never. But time no more Matic no. Now House of Folk wasn't in a bad state.
Sir.
Before so no book Kumara Sandu Kotoko. House of Folk was teams now no more top 3 before Kumara Sandu Kotoko. So House of Folk wasn't in a bad state, sir. But omo mani jina nchen Emma okulu be fa adwuma no and wo bo Emma season end ye. So now wabo ma season end after say na House of Folk wasn't in a bad state. Ama obi a wo ye adwuma no because me kai tamane ye EPL extra no. House of Folk second half no team na na be House of Folk in terms of points accumulation. But you can say onyina nchen because any asande kotoko e ba bebo. See lusu to kotoko anse bantie ne yen sacrifice coach no. Ni enya 3 points against kotoko. Ni yen sacrifice ye season no no ye you. And after 3 points against kotoko ni hu be duru ye. All line since A, all line since B, all line since C. You was a video analyst. To that means our experience pa okrumwa. And how to go there. Into betimi aye. Genen enu kwa san genen ke kasa has go pe coach o.
Kirizi e.
Dabi. Eh obi a coach ya adwuma ye yi na sinche se be ye. Na sisi na wi ye pamo amo akɔhefa. Ye teams ne mpanimfo no sometimes me kase obi a onim ade ye bia owi ase bia ne ho wonsem kakra.
Yes.
Ade obi nim ade ye bia owi ase a ne ho wonsem kakra. The ohia result no. If the person is able to give you the desired result o manage ni ego o manage ni suban no amount performance na ohia no. Regardless how we sit here. Sana be no de go because the most important thing is e bia se nya adwuma na oye na nka o ka o ni na nka o kasa no.
No correct.
But adwuma na oye ama no performance no was ro the performance is up da ohia sa performance ni nti manemfa ne na mu na manage no. The decision to sack Matic was a bad decision from House of Folk company for ba ko kan o me kan sem bebre and oba okrume hu se ba no mo kan the way no mo si ho no afi within a short time now panino and so o matima jana kwan. But House of Folk release now about FIFA and 10-7 no e kanu ye boko jibosia sa bosia na mentiase
o ze bia coach buy no na ne ma ba commune bi nti no am ze na mo aye den kakra enti obetimi a contact club no zo me buy no mi adu ba me ho awe enti dem mo fan me kakra na me fa nye se edwuma na de e onwa na.
It brings me to the point say coach ne do mba krom ya abrofo no e me say hona wo munya adwuma anye no mba ha ye mfa papa no
o ze be break we nyom on Facebook
most of the times
Sompa Sports
because
now okay the last time Ghana in teams in bi even your national team no crowd no ye the top coach bi say coach wo checking the pedigree oba no to say the Evan Grant buy bibia no fiba no who say no ye okay last time as coach bi buy club football
e bi ma ha ba on say brof dem so
so man a chance to say we say oba ye no oye adwuma no mitia kakra bi oye bia ze da bia ya na Mike mo ne you ka stana clearly no na hu sa so foku bobo na e show party mi ma wo ze akwa ne nsa no adwuma na ye de e no kan bi na ye on ba be sa no oba hu ze na ideas no ne so do si ye ne nema no e di oba andi be 1 week or suspend players bi mo so send your money training na yi so mo nyo mo ade che obo ba lo bo ya de for e di ni da ka o
aya na nyo mo eyo mo te clubs no na say sa coaches we mo mba ha no
sa
ai omo ba o ma bi mu fine ba be but at the moment o menya namfofo no ma sha ase se o ma dwene because namfo no kan sem de kire omo e kan sem bi fa club no omo say amanfo ntini pa no de omba nka omo hu omo respect omo biem ene na didi mu de science me ba ya pamo coach we a ene me ka okulu asem no it was a bad decision and it's been some time almost managing House of Folk in print no minim what's so special and the thing they get from House of Folk come the jumana to one kayabu how many times in yente House of Folk for no ejina eye open here friend can be so honorable yente so mujina omo so to the point where you do omo car ties ye dia dey twitwi omo car omo car ni na omo koye car na ba strong sa be House of Folk adwuma
amudo club ni dia
e do be nko na wo wiase e chen o life because we've seen as folks somebody so my word on these people so me your mom don't make come now but still they will manage Sompa free stadium or what is so special about or move Jumadi or House of Folk? One thing I'm a down me junior woman says dear there is nothing which my church by timidity and sabe bomb come says or moka timi who do most stadium mujina stadium ya pon game and some coffee ebiaka bear for no or different number 8 but still a debetino or must be defend or no more ya baby bibia. What is so special about that?
I make come do team no do
much me do have the John
now say no kiki kwa so obi bet my can be the bit my TV and the car time na bejono untime nya ne hwe who mine na wo no zoni
my way abu ya ku MP kra ma ne yehu
different for no issue ne nanche but say e bi akan bi honorable Vincent Odote so a omu ye dwuma mo dwuma nso ani art for good so ko tere bibi le no le bi we
ye nkrofo we na no mo pass em sura asem ntia
na me zinti mine na wo no so omu no ya so wo de ma no mu ze panyin na wasanya gidi omu di adwuma na mo no eni so omu ye zandi o so omu ye
no mo nkoso one day ahwe asem bisi nti omu ntu omu hofo ebe boa omu
vas asem
omu ntu omu hofo supporters no so omu bufu a sometimes they be bedru ba bi na so abafom bedru one day one time ebe traso
no ni me ade ba kwa ye wo kotokone ya supporters wa membe
ole ba dia
say obodi coach ba kro ba na wasa ala onya de a ade wi apanyi bi wo buti na biki onya de a so ya de na ebone a omo ha omo nika bo ya de pa obi anka aize team mo bobo na players are ya bobo na wi na team na wi no o players ya bo mu di ntwa
coach na sa
enu bi na house for the year there obo ka bibia ba akambi signing ni ade ba ya da sa bobo do omo ji league no one signing no ye ba be sesan bibia Salif Ibrahim so no lead we no ba wo zo no bi ka
obi anka ho asem
but e ka wo na mo de mani bi
because wo ba na wo hwe oba mani ku school a wonya hwe ba wan hwe na wa bibi
e no no ho
eno ni ade a tim tie na ombeka bebre but do my club no my club no bone chance my club no papa
bone be
oh seska yom kwa kotu ebi wo ho players o ma sign no ma ba o mo makọ one season pe o mo makọ si come buy sa players bi wonu mtwo mka in dollars o mo ko Salif Ibrahim asma o kan o be sesa no ma de mo o ye one player nka how to make keep na e bi an komenya offer bi de man sky ba house folk wo ba na o ko free o mo with the players mo ko ndi de be nko no ma club na ndi bro so bebre o mo enzo da so ho no. It's about time I saw him to a but I didn't F their babontin concerning league nefe. He picture book Ghana Premier League or artwork keeping. Yes. F pa and when I bought me in league because the last time I make it about how na GH Maxi or baby any ultimate no man and some be say no who am in league no. Am I con a league to a point where you want us to start in 10 term. No cause I'm say in league no. You can't want some power na league ni nyafe na league nyafe but the league ni co breaker
onze BBS
use the system na
BBS onze BBS
yes use the system na e no nti na nke e bo mpa ese nka no wait makọ yi da ma league no na nka no ma sesa ye ball league no and ko ani mo tim say no ma bam sika ba ma players na so and na pa na story be say Samson Edu kwa hin
oko
Iraq ye bobo
ono kwa ma dey Iraq no nze month be $5,000 so
they said they no talk am ni din komo
$5,000 and I avizu ta konkoni also Hilal Sudan also matis also say $5,000 that make $5,000
how bet you $5,000
onye
chese we superstar and Eduku so nye superstar na baby awabobo na kodu na nkoje Iraq ne papa hin scan na
man say
like $5,000 a 1 year contract
never pay hin scan na pa nkoje
almost ya you for no cross out for no so ba how agent bi mo ba ya
na first how the nefe ni omo ayo
almost omo agent bi mo ba players na no omo penny player wo no oyewi
free agent
to omo do kwa is one je kra no man to with me about $8,000 mo zo omo nhihye omo ni players ni bi but omo be players na as an omo ni omo din competition no omo pay player our national team da say be it under 20 under 23 ni ade ado if you omo do kwa
o san Kenya no di anka me ko bi
Abasa Ronaldo ala udi Abasa
Ronaldo
masa Egakoi.
Yuri Jokai.
Yeah.
Egakoi.
Yeah, friend Ronaldo. Crutch. Performance no was low.
I was in Libya, Crabia foul.
Hey.
Libya.
Opa, my mama 1 month.
Where they?
I mean, you justify.
Away.
Me a training, Debia.
Sompa Sports.
Maybe then I want to impel.
I would.
Now, born Nanga Sadam and I'm ball.
Why?
I drain so meet me the drain, but I want no.
I was a baller. Oh, why do you want to know about
my number one weakness? I mean to me, I'm professional football. A strength.
Now I'm a fever, Papa.
Oh, dear. Call me primary. Me not be 9 years. Fian pounds. This is a crowd that says so.
Sir.
Man, I'm born. Nasika kuno mo cry. Oh, Sika kuno share blasters. Jesse. I want you. Coming out one day.
I'm free by Papa. Go free by Papa.
Now you cry me jaibo cry. Me after Jesus mambo serious bion.
Oh, okay.
I don't cry me jaibo. Voter region could be some of them do more free kicks.
Obo free kick in Ashe.
Coco be so more.
So bad David Beckham.
Yeah, me.
Obo free kick.
Only Diva Kwaka.
David Beckham.
Me pe Juni homo.
Juni open and Bukano. Okay, Mate.
Born there. Me coming out one day. It's a be a way more, yeah. If we are come on one dinibia.
Cabana baby, I would do no.
Oh, Jayabu. Men can't find that.
As I would do.
Men can't find
that. Ronaldo.
Now sounds ball left and right.
On 9 million. On
the right, on the left. But dominant foot here, right. Me say, I want them pay.
Any dunya.
I want them.
I say a match in the buy out try so we yank to check.
Me see me Jaibo on the best. JSS. Be JSS. Ayo.
Mini.
More than 20 years ago.
Was that football? So only ball bar. Uja bought a few cream passer.
Meba. Only me fear medi.
When they carry
professional footballer. Meba. Professional footballer now. On no ball now I retired at the age of 35 now. Ayo kita boy to say.
Otimebo.
Now me jai since JSS over 20 years. Oh, by my boy said, me fan justify me to me, but I'm to me.
Or the coach.
Bisano.
Over 20 years, I won't do 40 years.
Ball, boy, not striker. Ball, near Sam saying. Oh, Bobby, so striker. Me money a Sam 3. Striker not 2 on. I'm coaching to use. Me money ball has saying.
Oh, coach to use.
Oh, yeah.
2 goals.
Some people not going to.
It's on the coaching.
Hey, Mr. Born, I drain. Anyway, no, but I want them.
As I would do.
I want them pay.
As a Ronaldo.
Oh, Jai, me a mini. The last one cry. I know me chain. Nipa to be no more come 9 boom saying to me Hanoko trio. Me wa makwa. And then last year Jimmy Boo to go and one
bobo. Family mu kakre.
Na se bia na odi praba fi.
Mediama issue na nkasa no. Send it here. Like how invite can say.
Okay. So this is a yemfa abasabode ne ma ban. I think it is true government.
Oh, okay.
Ana bibi say it me aba. Obeka is a ban ne launch the year of return. Now you the year of return. Na a tourism initiative say you train Ghanaians in the diaspora and even tourists are interested in coming to Ghana. Yeah, Chomadres is Ghana is the gateway to Africa. And to Obaha, your Nyoma Bakumianu and Sebia Oba Ghana ha obehu. Then Omuye Anna His Excellency Nana Dankwa Akufo-Addo. Emo launch beyond the return. In the year of return, we need to extend sa privileges, sa kwenyano. Beyond just the year of return, beyond the return. Now, as part of the beyond the return, more trust was the GTA, Ghana Tourism Authority, and then GEPA, Ghana Export Promotions Authority. More making sure say every aspect of Ghana will be marketed to the world to attract investment, partnerships, and then even exchanges. It is our exchanges, no? It be a culture, it be education, tradition, sport, entertainment. So through this initiative now, the GTA, almost CEO, Orakwesi Ajiman, ono create the South Sea Division 1 League Board, almost chairman, and ono facilitate this particular movement. Now, a part of a project almost launching a fan is the Ghana Week DC.
Okay.
Ghana Week DC. DC, the capital of the United States of America, Washington DC. Now, so they put through a motion. And this was the first time Omokoko agreed, said the GFA and then the DC United ever signed that arrangement. But before somebody drew her, now the Minister of Tourism, Honorable Ibrahim Awal, no come and Yofi Grant, Mr. McAddo, and then even Ora Kwesi Ajiman, Omuko United States, Anna at the Ghana Embassy, Omuko Jumedia, your friend is a Ghana Business and Investment Summit. And as part of that, Omu invite corporate entities, football clubs, near other companies, Momubasi. So they facilitated this arrangement. So we in the Dasono. Into who you figure and share white and about white. Then Akwesi Ajiman share navy blue or blue black way na minister no and a share Oban and Macadam Finfino. And then we no honey na the company na run it Capital City Cup.
Sompa Sports.
Yeah, I think it's PT or something. Maybe so. So omoye arrangement, I know Mujitum say this United no tournament and our competition oborn every year. Omo friend the Capital City Cup. So Capital City Cup, if they want to strike a bond with Ghana and Africa, and your mo benemi omomo version as the Capital City Africa Cup. Intimidiama will not go to the Capital City Cup now and almost started 2021. 2021 na is 4 teams na Kebebo na 20 me because of COVID. In Tebe DC United ene Alajuelense omo Costa Rica ana omo boya DC United eje. Then in 2022 3 teams DC United na omo nomi host ana omo Club Social Deportiva Helazu omo free Guatemala ana omo Club Deportiva Aguila omo so eka ho bi. 3 teams in the boy na DC United. So the first ever Capital City Africa Cup will be between DC United and the Mediama, which is a different version of the Capital City Cup now Omobo. Now the Capital City Africa Cup no Omoni Mediama Bebono. A part of an initiative of Malonchi FN say the Ghana Week DC.
Oh, okay.
And throughout the week. From say in the month of October, 1 week, omo the baye Ghanaian activities in Washington DC. And business for Bekobi, arts and culture Bekobi, entertainment Bekobi, sports football Bekobi because the GFA was present September 19th, 2022 when Omoni DC United strike that ball. Niti picture where that's no. DC United for omo communicator bako onani obano. The organizing DC Capital City Cup also Nejina Obemano Anna McAddo any Akwesi Ajiman. So they struck that particular bond. But it wasn't purely a football thing. Akwesi Ajiman Yusu only influence as a GTA boss, a Ghana Tourism Authority boss, and almost strike this arrangement. Until September 2022, and they did more baby PMwa or May 2023. And our mobile launch the Ghana Week DC. So the Ghana Week DC launch in May 2023. And then our show ya now who GFA or marketing way in a woman. Until of course I media my pictures in my obe say in a woman Jamal Marabi.
Yes.
Until Hanombe launch or Ghana. The Ghana Week DC no launch. So it was communicated then near any season no mondu baby I see up here. And it was communicated then say one Ghana Premier League team ever DC United as part of the Ghana Week DC. Now, almost selected say Sadia young farmer the obey winning league
So I know Sana Kokoye.
Exactly.
It depends on how Udi no. Come Didi na Kasa Shase wa Baimu.
Yeah.
And a baby room of football. Na show me the Obeji League and a
or Intimidia Maneko. So a true tourism. Anasa Kunya way a B Ediama Ghana. So Mediama are going to sell Ghana. Omokoye ambassadors Diama Ghana using football.
Wow.
It is here. So they are the champions of Ghana going to represent Ghana ewo hono.
But
so that is the initiative omo kwa akoye. Enti ye hwe ni October no say nyoma beba but visas on be extended through the mayor of DC. Na DC United so be endorse say ampa. Then PKB Enterprise opiniona ono no so edaso na no kita Jesus. Ono ne company na run ono so be endorse. No ma extend visas ne dia about through the US embassy no Ghana. The minimum say contingent na media ma dey kon assistance or mass certain at 25. Aze
iso abigi
ade isa
ba o ze pen komona odi no aban mu nkofo ni bi be ko bi o
yeah
football mu nkofo no so no bi be join
yeah
o kwa untime mfa 16 players and 18 players nko o coach one assistant
no aban mu nkofo no de o mbekọ mo de for Ghana with this no
nti o mo nya part of no
Ghana Sport Promotion Authority o mo nkofo beko and they also look out for investors, they will look out for entrepreneurs. Omo ye enyuma yetumi sport here ede ne monyam Ghana ombeko bi maybe in the field of art culture ombe fuse with entertainment no omo so de yeko so hu nte bi artist for no bi ba befra e bi ashatawale movie because they are going to sell Ghana music so hu why na man take mu je microphone dum speaker na USA no koye de wo then na football no
the weekend they can record you. First time I would you to get to choir. I will hear program no really about
la football no. O may use mediama and the mediama they are mediama contingent in 25. So what mediama needs to do is not just to go and play football. A big avenue over 1 week, making sure so obenya partnership ne a investment be our biano. Obe starting common from then. No who kwanya be fa so abe omugu so din komo so on betrem dia mo a
Bible
omu betrem dia mo
na for ya ne omo nkasa se ha mo yes a cha
me amaka che omo se me passport number no me fan sani omo
de me kan say DC for no nam for ne omo some passport you kuma no me chance so my we no be 100
me I think such an experience it was an commitment slot for even media
yes
because e ko ne abehwe yakosha ni abeka sene be beton man board but the understanding I also get is be on limited to just the sports in intino since a week long event no then they will also attach press men and the communicators to the entire team na be delegation no because someone be call 100 yeah, but football the media as a team no 25. But omugu so omoni omo kasa say omontrem mfa more. Exactly. So yambo efe na baso because I think so am fan nyoma ngugu akwemu a I don't think this would have come their way. Kan tokwa ne basa ye o ha. Minya sure san kebeba. Sanso ne yambo akwesi achiman so abaso. They are the kind of people we need from the other side to enter a game. Oyene tourism ejuma football dey enkon share down for no hunre musa but an appointment at the Division 1 league was a omesa Division 1 league no Ghana Tourism Authority for better jerseys 2 sets of jerseys they are my clubs yes ni nani a part of support almost so render and kwambe rema menya sure san kebeba so we should encourage more of such appointment say na be ya nyomo a omo de omo influence no betimi aton ye game no amana ko enim this a massive deal
or Ricardo make a massive deal Africa CAF Champions League Confederations get to kwa team bi mu
yeah
Africa CAF Champions
no na say has the crowd the way
I don't talk what team bi mu
has ko Morocco opariado anko bi no okay say opariado anko Morocco ni bi there were issues until these things they happen
until 25 the year baba omuntimi mfa 20 players enko da
18
no check on na oye we ni obemuna saa so no na enye nipa na fault
true
enti won sem na konto ze na ba na wan we yi a onkomra no I just yi captains with team no wie no na ede ntokwa bebri na aba 25 no do omomba mu obi wa no de ne koro ama na mbobo libi kro okay o de ne koro wa ma nan anso ye kra wan ko training kra no hye o okay
and it's even good for the players because I know that this year will be a very good year for Mediama players. Yes. Africa now Omasanso Nyasa Akwenti away. So it gives them the necessary exposure and the value.
park monoso.
Oh yeah, remember Audi Field. Audi Field hono basically a stadium at Dimupan USO. And maybe Omoko Washington DC hono so. It's a capital city. Say be Albagana na Otena Accra. Now hono they have a large population of Ghanaians.
Yes.
So Ghanaians are more hono. They also get to acquaint with them. So I think it's a life-changing experience. A very much more for the players. Life-changing experience.
There is call for one to the table. Why? Kodogole has.
Na a man in termini way, you know. What see say there no more?
Oh, to me,
okay. Last season, of course, I'm more.
And yet,
I'm no more yeah for the next season. Now I'm saying come Basukra. Kodoko coach.
David.
Okay. Trauma me. Has coach.
David.
These are the two biggest clubs. As it stands, there is no clue as to the technical direction of the two clubs. Yebebo League in September, middle of September 15th, precisely, in the SL League, I say. But there's a period that you're looking at players in terms of justify, or screening. Then we who say we are fit enough into your register no. From now till September 4th, registration ni gusu ebe koso sa. Now coach ne ebe badabe. July ebe we CCA o.
O secret.
Because end 19th. Enti aka roughly even say 11-12 days. See we are. What happens? 1 month na coach ne de ba be players and answer the and CCA no be a sign quality o. So mo be sign mo be ka no. Excuse me to say, eh de omo mumu e ha.
TV.
So wo per quality na te so okotona bo then now oh you lucky you might find quality but it be no e free. So one yes smart when moving swiftly in the marketer. You be form ni na de jaw. And a players no do na so na ekwa brochi. But we Kodoko and has based on the offer. And the promises here, the member player. No. It means it's a player now. To moment now, why Kodoko there, even as it stands, they don't even have a functioning management to even initiate such moves.
Yes.
Meaning at the administrative end, you made your moody. But this is a very busy period. And from next year, so you teams need to buy account. We should have known. Baby, Omedru in Pempenso Omedru.
Mami, what reason issue be annoyed in power?
Kodoko, what your mama who team who news to be?
David. Say you almost so bad TV.
News net is saying.
I'm out the team video.
No problem, but news net is saying. So I was saying who baby I call and I'm more year two. These are the two biggest clubs. But they be American. Say has be in a kotokonye there and Ghana football. Omumi and numum is original monaswa. And when am I a game near there? The others only complement.
All players be more bar free agent Paul Monam at you for you.
Sompa Sports.
Grab
Sadat money. Steve Badu da kwa.
So that is the time you move, you grab. Exactly.
That's funny. That was almost to be what you.
So, I'm about to say sporting director or
about sporting director.
Sporting director and technical director. Oh, AK. AK near Eso.
AK near
Eso, yeah. Oh, yeah. Ah, that's a good Monday gum. And then I sent in the DJ crying.
I live in Shosata.
Ah,
from Tamalis.
Yeah. Or say it's a bit then, of course, he's saying
medical man. As he was only deal.
Why medical?
Medical man. I'm going medical. What do you say?
MC medical.
Ghana or Ghana? Yeah, what's repa?
Football no. Now me catch you say. I never see a football no. Yeah. Impofri mana akodru level of ebia amanone.
No, but it show professionalism.
Yeah, clubs na wa ha no.
Clear like a sibe. Boy ya miki obui. Any a sibe last year ko and boy ba na kan wa sem na sibe ball ko boy play off. Now what sibe any 11 wonders for. Money team ya ni ko mo play anko medicals.
Okay, mebo. Medicals no ko here way. Picture anyway. Medical picture anyway.
The hospital we won't cry about baby.
Sure. Yeah, near born now, yeah, no. I adomara ko.
Dambe here no.
Yes. Professionalism in the akaye be brave. And also it should not discourage us from continuing. By young Kosoni advocating for the right things to be done. As it stands, has yenyen who stands as to the next coach. Kotoko, yenye who stands as to the next coach, the management, and even board. It should tell you the state. These are the two biggest clubs. Imagine see a Beshela Liga say, married a new coach. Barcelona acquired your management to Gukra. What do you think will happen? Among the entire football scene there was Spain, and it should be of concern to us. Yeah, some trouble. Yeah, football in yeah, sports in Wejuma. Say a queer a boy juma. Yes. I was say higher. Said these things are happening to our clubs. Actually, no koroko. Every 3-4 years they repeat the cycle. House of folk almost every year.
Repeat you know.
Season Ben Yevia has a retaining coach or this coach now for 2 seasons uninterrupted.
I didn't see that.
So we have a big issue. I was here address it. And these are the things and my game no a train no at the bench. But kudos to Mediama. So when you say way. And then your off season, this is just an advice. Watch the Twitter feed of Ghana Premier League, you know. Bet Power Ghana Premier League.
David.
Say Kremobe to me on the encore no on check it the last time on my tweet here. Something content about the GPL. And yet just announcement to
Sompa Sports.
Content I to me tone concerning the Ghana Premier League. No Samsung check here clubs I would do.
Bia koda. Good. That's a folk there. Thank you.
Semeka Ghana Premier League once more. Ebi I'll be start obe kan we anameboa. The same applies to Varas.
Yeah.
There are several storylines, interesting content angles. I bet me I pick it from the Ghana Premier League, even year season, no, to still keep the league in talks and I say keep it as part of discussions. Hey, you can start by celebrating Ghana Premier League legends.
Yes.
Fa Bequin can exploit. Ubit my Twitter thread. Now they are a year Bequin who juma the contribution to a game. For Charles Taylor, for Dombote, for Haas team now Omokonkai dominated 2000s no. Sa 64 battalion no. Ubetimia ya abu ubenya storylines are. The last time a team from Kede Ebebo Premier League nibi na Kede Hospets. What is their story? Ubetimia ye assume kwa Ibrahim. Ubetimia ye Power FC. The last team owned by ECG. Akosi saying you can tell several interesting stories. Am I a league near there? Beba man for Kwando for the next campaign. You can even add documentaries if your capacity need to be drew. Content building and your season enquire and maybe start times for us also.
And all my name is
now moment videos ni na your season. Yen to me highlights of even the best goals I'm cover. And then I'm more yeah league in
China. Why?
Muma video matches ni now. More footages.
Best goal be a
come top 5 goals of the season and po. More fan better yen skills. Some of the sound bites. Coaches in some of more kind, players in some of more kind. Give us exciting angles to enjoy about the GPL. Now, due to the capacity now media ne wanting to say any strunty, they cannot push it to the level now Sky Sports ni BBC mo you know. Yen media na wa no. Adomara kwa de ni bio. It is a clubs na de ni bio. You need capacity of even 30% to promote or push the league to the level it was so no.
Yes.
And even the personnel no cry no. Or creativity level cry so from. To work as a GPL content be or pedi a better so controversial issue. The negative aspect. Because it's easy to make and then people will talk about it.
And also they're
and to want some more content, more discussing. More content. Start times, videos no way. Top goals no way. Entry no way. Saves no way. The last season, highlight of last season, damn pan out on services so. Say me dear Magic League. And I damn bien. Adi nkwa Charlie, ya nye football ni ya be go ya grow no. We are sitting
media wa for ade area on. Omo ban efi no mo mbo en ho da huru no mo nya ade aka no.
Ade.
This is a plus for them.
Oh yeah.
Omo mo ho da huru no mo nya na blaster dabi. Omo mo we ho da huru. Achievement kese o.
Oh, we
get this deal. Kesi pa o.
Na ga me my ahwe mabo ne kakra but emre na so.
Clubs no ya no matrete. I retreat.
Omo titi.
Say clubs no be a club de be beto a no makọ retreat. Eno kwa no me ye o mu Twitter ayo.
DJ Beshia, why? You call DJ Pikaba. I said, "Dear machine, you are near the abade. What team you need now? Ah, listen, but you only at the abade. And what team you be? Oh, DJ Pikero. The line where she too. I watch your Bob Pila. Who's only a Bob Pipa. Dear call, there can be out to us.
Onitim bi epuwe opuwe ya wampuo ni kwao odi eni abere bomu afutu nyamsum woni daso edi eni je abero ni panyina